Hey, what's up? Let's talk about clamps, all right? Let me put this thing out. Now, clamps, you gotta have a lot of them when you're making wood stuff. Because you be clamping wood together all the time. And what I found is there's a lot of clamps out there, a bunch. Come in here. Let me tell you, so far I've been doing this like, gosh, about a month now, I think. So I know a lot about clamps. So let me show you some clamps. Let's start, let me move you in. Let's start off with my favorite. This. It slides good unless you get a lot of glue on there, which you don't want to do, but I do that some. Anyway, great clamps. They tighten up great. These are Jorgensen. I have no idea where I got them from. I'm guessing Harbor Freight, something like that. But they tighten up good. I like them. The ones I don't like, this. That button right there, useless. Useless. When it's tight, you need a clamp to clamp down the button to get it unclamped. Trash. Don't buy these. They're terrible. And I don't know who the manufacturer is. China. If they ain't even proud enough to put their own name on here, that kind of tells you something. If you can't find a brand name, it's probably... Let's move on. These right here are okay, because you can push that button. These are definitely Harbor Freight. Do they have a brand on them? I don't see one. But they work good. They're not bad. I still prefer the hand cranks. Look, that is a long schmucker right there. Which, I don't know why I need something that long. Or why I even thought. Oh yeah, I was gluing up top for my barbecue grill. And it was big. And I learned later on that's not the way you do it. But that's all right, I digress. So, another one that I bought that is so far been useless is this. Thought I'd be using it a lot, and I'm not even really sure. You're supposed to hold two boards at an angle. Let's do this. You're supposed to take these two boards. Let me open that bag up. Yep. And then you put one board like that, other board like that, and then you tighten it down. And it's supposed to hold them together somehow. Get up in there, get up in there, like so. But what I found, it don't hold that top. It don't hold the top it together. It'll keep them in place, I guess, but, and then why does it do that? I don't know, but I tell you what, I ain't using it. Another clamp that I thought was a great idea. Good thing Harbor Freight sells this stuff so cheap. This will hang on the wall as decoration like all that other crap that nobody uses. Next clamp. This thing right here, look how big that is. That is a Stanley, sir. That's a Stanley. That's real stuff. Stanley. It's steel, and both ends will adjust and move. Look at that. And then that clamps up tight. It sits flat up on that bench. Look at that. Flat on that bench. Like so. Flat. Oh, speaking of flat. Oh yeah, boy. Okay. Clamps. That one's a beast. It's massive. I wish I had two of them. That came from my dad's shop. He only had one there. Probably loaned the other one out to Uncle Jim or somebody. Another janky thing. What the? This is another corner. I don't know how many boxes I thought I was going to be making with corner pieces, but look how. Ooh, that's crap. Crap. Yes. Don't waste your money. Even though it ain't but $3 or something, it's... Get you a Miller Lite. It tastes way better than this does. And you won't be frustrated drinking a Miller Lite. Anyway, that's where... Wait, we got one more useless clamp from Harbor Freight. See, you start getting into woodworking and you just want to buy all this stuff because you think you're going to need it. No, you don't need it. Put it back. Put it back. You know it works good, really good? Not this. This. Boom! The best clamp you could ever buy, right there. Make you a little pretty box, clamp it. Make you a cutting board, clamp it. Yep. So anyway, that's all I got with clamps. Peace out. Later.